Second window. Nice job, Calvin. If you're just joining us, we are doing a cognitive research session with one of our resident bottlenose dolphins. Calvin is coming down to the windows and mapping the relationship between the two objects he's looking at. So he's coming down to that first window, looking at the relationship between those two, and then coming over to this window and finding its match to these two alternatives. Now, sessions can have anywhere between 2 to 18 trials. That's a very receptive session from day to day. If you come back later in the afternoon for another dolphin session, it might be a completely different research project, or just a dolphin coming down to the window to say hello. Nice job. Each of our dolphins has their own research project. So 3 of us have been held research. I'll came back on another day or this afternoon to find some different dolphins doing different projects. Now, looking at the project in the double-blind trial, you will actually know the project how much different to our predator does. And that's another reason why we ask you to hold your applause until you hear that bridge. We're actually switching up the object. And the reason we do a double-blind trial is that it involves something called a clever strategy. It can also called a clever strategy to walk up. So if our